Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. And today, as you saw by the title, I am going to the beach. It was raining a little bit this morning, but I'm sure I'll be fine because I didn't see it was gonna rain later. And yeah, right now it's pretty sunny. Well, it doesn't look like it in the background, but it is pretty sunny, and I don't mind a little cold water. It's okay. But first, I'm gonna get something to eat and drink because I am hungry. First, I'm gonna stop by Chick-fil-A, probably get some breakfast because it's still early. It's still 9, and then I'm gonna eat it there. And yeah. All right, guys. I just wanted to update you. I stopped by Publix real quick to get some sunscreen because I forgot. No, I put sunscreen on, but I forgot my face sunscreen, and I don't want to get burnt up. Okay. But I also did get some water because I forgot that as well, of course. And now we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A and then go to the beach. So I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, I just arrived at the beach. I'm so excited. But this is actually my first time going to the beach alone. Kind of nervous. But honestly, I'm so excited, and I can't wait. Honestly, I got my little food here. I got everything I need here: food, water, towel, other stuff. Okay, anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's go. I'm so excited. Guys, it is much later. It's almost 12, and I'm gonna start heading home because it started getting really packed and I was not feeling it. But I've been here for a couple hours, and it is honestly the best decision ever. I've never been to the beach alone, and it was so chill. It was so chill, relaxing. I ate my burrito. The seagulls were trying to get some, but it's all right. Now I'm gonna go home, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna do my homework because I have a lot to do, and then I'll just vlog that throughout the day, and I'll see you guys. So I'm back home, and I showered, fresh clean hair. Definitely did get a little darker, but that's a good thing. I needed sun. And now unfortunately I do have to do homework. Guys, I have this essay due tomorrow actually, and I haven't even started it. And then I also have my regular homework assignments for my psychology class, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day, most likely. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to get started on that. But first, I'm going to eat something. Although I just ate not that long ago. I am hungry again. But yeah, we're just going to make a little sandwich or something.